Good day everyone. Our topic is about solving linear recurrence relation. What is a linear recurrence relation? A linear recurrence relation is an equation that recursively defines a sequence of values where each term is a linear combination of previous terms. Example for that is the Fibonacci sequence, which each term is the sum of the two preceding ones. Now, there are two types of linear recurrence relation, the homogeneous and the non-homogeneous. In the homogeneous, there's no additional function about the right-hand side, and sa non-homogeneous there is an additional function. I will further explain about the homogeneous. The homogeneous is a linear homogeneous recurrence relation is a way of defining a sequence where each term is weighted combination of the previous terms, and there is no additional term depending only on the sequence position. In simpler terms, each sequence where the next term is determined by multiplying the previous terms by constants, and there's nothing else added to that calculation. Now there is an example here. A sub n is equals to 2a sub n minus 1 plus 3a sub n minus 2 with an initial conditions of a sub a equals to 0 and a sub 1 equals to 1. Now, this is an example of how to solve a linear recurrence problem. Problem 1. Recurrence relation is an is equals to 3a sub n minus 1. The initial conditions for that is a sub 0 equals to 2. Solution. You must first find the general solution, first order, of the homogeneous linear recurrence relation. And the form for that is a sub n is equals to c times r to the power of n, where c is constant and r is the characteristic root, which is for this example for this case is number 3. Then the second step is you apply the initial conditions of a sub 0 is equals to c times 3 to the power of 0 is equals to c times 1 equals to c. Since a sub 0 is equals to 2, we have c is equals to 2. And then step 3 is you write the particular solution of a sub n is equals to 2 times 3 to the power of n. And that is how you solve a homogeneous linear recurrence problem.